Begin by disconnecting the ground cable from the post on the battery. This is also a good time to check the condition of the terminal and wiring, as our cable was starting to get a little corrosion, red arrow. Be very careful when prying the faceplate off the unit. It is just held in by clips on the side and they tend to break way too easily. Our project car's plate was already broken when we got the car, red arrow. Remove the knobs and the sliders by pulling them straight off. You can probably do this with your hands for all of them, but the fan speed control. There's a small light behind the knob, so you want to make sure you take this knob straight off. I recommend using a trim removal tool and gently prying it away from the faceplate. With the knob off, you can see the small fragile bulb in the center, red arrow. Use your trim removal tool and gently pry both ends of the plate off, and then work your way around until the complete plate is off. Take your time and go slow, as it will be shocked how easy it is to break this plate. With the plate off, use a Phillips head screwdriver and remove the 4 screws holding the unit in place, red arrows. Wiggle and slide the unit out from the dash. There are 3 electrical connections on the rear. 2 of them just pull straight off, red arrows, and the far left one has a small plastic clip that must be released to allow it to be removed, yellow arrow. With the unit off, you can see the small clip that you need to release for the left connection, red arrow. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.